Hey, thanks for hanging in there with us, guys. So our goal is to help anybody who really wants to. They've got a passion, they've got a skill, we all have that, and turning that into some sort of income. The world is uncertain, the economy is not doing as well as it should, at least when this is being recorded. And our goal is to, again, help everybody knock down that big why they can't do it, something like that. So by subscribing, you're watching this, check your email. We have an executive summary on how to turn your passion into profit coming to you. Give it maybe 5 or 10, 15 minutes for that. We do Facebook videos a lot, trying to give ideas out to different people. If there's something that you would like to know about, go ahead and find us on Facebook. It's Turn Passion to Income, and there's probably also a link down below there. So this is also going to be hosted on YouTube, so there's also a link to our website, and you can click there and get on the mailing list if you'd like. Again, we are here to serve. We are here to help everybody do something great and help out the cause. So thanks for paying attention. Thanks for listening. My name is George, and we'll see you soon. Peace.